Do you want to get rid of information within a table, but not the table itself? This quick tip provides a guide to understanding the effects that different editing keys have on table data. Word includes a powerful table editor that you can use to create very complex tables. If you spend a lot of time working on a table and getting it just right, you may want to copy the table to a new location so that you can use the same layout elsewhere. After copying, you will no doubt want to erase the contents of the table so that you can start to fill it out again. Let's say that the table that you see on the screen is one that was just copied to this location. The easiest way to clear out the table is to go ahead and select the entire table. I'm just going to click within that table, and then here on the Table Layout tab of the ribbon, I'm going to choose Select, and I'm going to select the table. Now I have the entire table selected, and all I need to do at this point is press the Delete key. And all of the contents of that table are deleted, but the table itself remains. Now it's interesting to note that you must press the Delete key in order to have this effect. I'm going to go ahead and press Ctrl Z to undo that deletion that I did just a moment ago, and you'll see that I still have the table selected. You might think that at this point you could press the backspace key to get rid of the contents of that table as well. Watch what happens though if I go ahead and press backspace. Word deletes the entire table, unlike the effect that the delete key has. The delete key left the table structure there, but the backspace key deletes the entire table, not just the contents of the table. Now don't ask me why it works this way, it just does work that way. You need to remember to use the delete key to get rid of the contents of the table and leave the table structure there. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click like, then the subscribe button, and finally the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.